Hey friends, if you encounter the DISM error too while trying to perform a DISM scan on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke an SFC scan. The next solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Choose a good restore point. Click on next, select this, click on next, and then finally click on finish. The last solution is to reset Windows. Now how would we reset Windows? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery, click on reset PC, select remove everything, and then select cloud download. When you click on cloud download, it will pull the image of the system from the cloud itself. I mean the one with the Microsoft server. Do not select local and reinstall because the image is already corrupt. If you reinstall the local image, it will cause the same problem again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.